Hey, hi all, this is Sumit. In this session, we learn about TBox Delete Resource. So let's navigate to the Tosca. Here I have already created one test case folder with the name delete resource, and inside that I have created a test case as resource deleted. So here I am using a module called as open and create XML file, where we need to mention the resource path and the file path. But before proceeding, let's see what is resource. This particular resource module serves to delete our resources. As a result, the name of the resource can be reused. So go to the module section, the TBox delete resource module available inside the standard module. Go to the TBox Automation Tool, and here you will find one folder called as resource handling, and inside that there is a module called as TBox delete resource. If you have a look in this step where I am just entering the path where my product.xml file is exist, which is here. I'm just copy this path of this XML file and paste it over here and give the resource name as XML. Now my requirement is to delete this resource name, so just drag and drop the tbox delete resource module inside the test case, and here mention the resource name and run the test case. See, the test case is executed successfully, and if you have a look inside the scratchbook, the resource XML was deleted. So yeah, that's what about the tbox delete resource. And if instead of this tbox delete resource, if I'm using your tbox delete file, then this whole product.xml file will be deleted. So here my requirement is to delete this particular resource. That's why I'm using here TBox delete resource. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.